Hello there, Rudolph fans. In today's video, I'm going to show you a review on the Funko Games Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Snowstorm Scramble game for 1 to 5 players. There we go. Here's the back that says roll the dice, flip the tokens, match to move. So that shows what the game is about. So let's get this open up. Alright, so we got that open. Here's the instructions. It will show how to play. And there are the puzzles for the board game. And there's the dice. And some other pieces in the bag. That's got all the characters, including Hermie, Rudolph, and Yukon Cornelius, Bumble, the abominable snow monster, it's got the tokens of Yukon and Hermie. It's got Hermie and Rudolph too. It's got the characters of the Misfit Toys. Yeah, so that looks pretty cool for a holiday game. So maybe I will play this game at some times and have a great time. So anyways, guys, what do you think about this Snowstorm Scramble game? Let me know what you think. So anyways, I also heard that some of the stores is putting out some Halloween decorations very early this year. Wow, that would be great. And after a few months later, after Halloween and Thanksgiving, they'll put out some Christmas decorations. So anyways, is anybody looking forward to see what the newer version of the Red-Nosed Reindeer characters at the Build-A-Bear Workshop, once the 60th anniversary comes out for the Rudolph characters? Let me know what you think. And I'm very excited to show them once they come out. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. And give a big thumbs up. And I'll try my best, 'cause that's the best I can do. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all real soon.